Literally no ill intention dun para kay Trinidad. You know, he just really wanted to score in that play, lowered the shoulder a bit, extended his off arm, resulted in that offensive foul. Pero yun na nga, all of these players on the court, they just really want to play hard, give it their all, and win this game.
Three-pointer won't go for the Admirals. Rebound the Corda. Gonzalez, a three. Gets it to go.
There you have it, below double digits is the score. Just a 7-point lead na lang dito para sa RTU.
Trinidad. Oh, binawi naman agad ni Jacob Trinidad. Back to a 10-point lead.
And that's his favorite spot on that right wing. He's made 3 on that side already. Itong si Jacob Trinidad.
Wesley Gonzalez, full head of steam. Baniados overshoots that one. Takbo na naman itong RTU Blue Thunder. Soriano. That in and out dribble. Everything but the shot. Antion with the offensive rebound. Trinidad once again. In and out. Three servings para sa RTU Blue Thunders. Couldn't buy a basket on that sequence.
Lucky break for the PMI Admirals.
Oh, Gonzalez back-to-back three-pointers.
And Gonzalez heating up at the right moment. Just a 7-point lead, but this time they need to get a stop. They cannot afford to trade buckets with this RTU Blue Thunders team.
Antion now to Soriano. Down to 7. Soriano sidestep. Kulang sa Pectus. Daet inside using his height.
Daet soaring high for that layup.
Gonzalez. They go inside. Arceo. Nahihirapan na itong RTU na i-pressure itong PMI, unlike yung 5 nila kanina na hindi talaga nakakababa ang bola para sa PMI.
Yeah, that seemed like the more defensive lineup dun para sa RTU. Yung sila Nitura, sila Toralba.
Meantime, poor job on boxing out para dito sa PMI as Daet was wide open on that putback. Meantime, Tony Domic, just the recipient of every press break.
And alam mo, Charles, credit din talaga dun sa mga teammates nitong si Tony Domic. It's not just his positioning that's on point. It's also the passing and vision of his teammates, being able to find him at the right place, at the right time for those easy buckets para sa kanya.
64-55, 9-point lead para dito sa RTU Blue Thunder. Tony Domic cuts the lead down to 8. Chance to cut it down to just 7. So far, yung pasok nitong mga players ng RTU nung 4th quarter, hindi nila na-sustain yung level of intensity ng defense nung 3rd quarter, nung pinalitan nilang 5. As Escoto carving his way inside. Escoto! Bang in the bucket!
And Escoto showing us the strength, but as well as the patience and IQ. Realizing that his defender was going to jump on the pump fake. Take a look at this, Charles, driving inside against the smaller Gonzalez. Faking it, letting his defender ride him, and then he takes the bucket.
Saw the mismatch. Saw the mismatch. Took advantage of it. Very smart player itong si Escoto. Ito na ulit yung depensa ng RTU. Galicia against Nitura. Galicia gets fouled. Ito naman.
Tough take by Galicia. Pulling it out to the 3-point line, faking it out to Nitura. Thought he was going to take that 3-pointer. This time he drives it to the baseline and takes that reverse layup, resulting in a foul.
Ito naman yung problema ng RTU Blue Thunders, Aaron. When they're pressing on the full court, maganda yung pinapakita nila. Pero pag naitawid na yung bola, hindi na sila nakaka-recover agad. That's why ang daming open looks sa ilalim nitong PMI Admirals.
Yup, and that's really the weakness of this full court press. No, once you break it, once you get into that half court set, doon talaga nagkakagulo na sila because they're not set to their man, di ba? Nangyayari doon, minsan it's a mismatch, and especially with this PMI team with their very shifty guards who were able to break down their defenders in the one-on-one coverage.
Nitura going inside to Escoto. Nothing you can do but foul and hope and pray that it will miss.
And Nitura once again showing us that full arsenal para sa kanya, passing that ball, a lob pass down to his big man, finding him. And really, Nitura has been doing the damage on all aspects of the floor dito, pati sa defensive end, ginagawa niya. Rebounding then, even shooting from the outside and driving. Just this big player, this big guard for this RTU Blue Thunders team, a lot of potential para sa kanya.
Itong si Escoto, one of the players na hindi ganun kalakihan, hindi ganun katangkaran, pero ang lapad naman at marunong gumamit ng katawan. 5:56 remaining here in the fourth. 67-56. Quick three-pointer coming from Resty Gonzalez, cutting the lead to just 8 points.
And ito talaga si Gonzalez. He's been keeping this PMI Admirals team afloat in this fourth quarter. If it weren't for him, makatambakan na sila dito.
Good backdoor cut by Nitura to the cutting Serrano.
Nitura once again, diba? Another assist.
Serrano on the attack. He spins. Wanted to hand it over to Stephen Torralba. Pero napakialaman doon. Gonzalez thought about it. Wala pa din yun para sa PMI Admirals. Proles. Torralba. Finally, Stephen Torralba gets himself going after a quiet third quarter.
Ganyan na naman tayo dito. Itong PMI Admirals scoring but they cannot defend this RTU Blue Thunders team. 71-59 is the score. A timeout by the PMI Admirals.
Quick story lang about Antonio Inigo Nitura. Being in a family of athletes, Nitura grew up with a great interest in basketball. He shared that he is happy to be in FEBL because one of his childhood dreams came true, and that is to be watched in the television because he fell in love with this sports through watching, and now he is playing to be watched. At alam niyo ba that one of his pre-game routine is playing a pump-up song at ang Kendrick Lamar. Do you think this helped his performance for today's game? Charles and Aaron?
Thank you so much, Angelica, and that is true, no, Aaron. Itong si Antonio Nitura, coming from an athletic family, itong pangarap niya na mapanood sa television coming into fruition dito sa FEBL. So, we are so glad to make dreams come true para dito sa mga bata na to. This is a good opportunity to showcase their talent before their mother leagues. Ooh! Some color developing. We wonder what happened. Going back to our thought, we're really happy to make these young men's dreams come into fruition and be an avenue to showcase their talent dito sa FEBL.
And nakikita mo talaga, Charles, yung hard work nitong si Antonio Nitura showing up in this league as he's showcasing all of his skills.
Baka dahil yun sa pre-game routine niya daw, nakikinig siya kay Kendrick Lamar. Ikaw ba, Aaron?
Actually,
ano pinapakinggan mo?
Hindi ako rap fan eh, Charles.
Meantime, ball is with Nitura. Against Arceo. Good drop step. Kicks it out. Torralba thought about it. 7 seconds remaining. Torralba, what a tough shot. He had the open look. Settled for the more difficult shot.
And that's the patience, that's the maturity of the players of this RTU team. Not just Torralba, but as a whole, diba? That's how they play.
Kita mo naman. It's Resty Gonzalez knocking down 3 3-pointers all in the fourth quarter. Torralba, full head of steam, moving without the ball.
And simple but effective. Alam mo, Charles, ang nakikita ko dito, itong PMI Admirals, pinaghihirapan nila lahat ng mga shots nila, lahat ng mga buckets nila. On the other end naman, this RTU Blue Thunders team, they're playing a team-based type of basketball, diba? Hinahanap talaga nila yung mga teammates nila, just finding the right place at the right time, resulting in those easy points.
75-66. 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Trinidad won't go. Nitura, the offensive rebound. 10 seconds remaining. May agaw dito ang PMI Admirals. Gonzalez, who's been Mr. Fourth Quarter, stops. Pops from the 3. Won't go this time. Proles bringing the leather down. Full head of steam. Sidestep. Kicks it out. Serrano. To Torralba. Proles carving his space inside. Good use of his body. Arceo. Now it's with Santos. Last 2 minutes. Arceo for 3. Wala pa din. A minute and 46 seconds. Escoto sets the pick. Torralba denies it, dropping it down. Proles, wala pa din. Proles gives another possession to the Blue Thunder. Torralba.
And a bit too unselfish naman on that play, no? Torralba with a chance to take that three-pointer, especially with the shot clock winding down on that play.
A minute and 23 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter.
And itong PMI Admirals, Charles, they're gonna need a lot of buckets in a hurry and in a flurry para sa kanila.
Gonzalez, they go to hanapin. Gonzalez getting cold after hitting those 3-pointers. Sipin mo naman tong RTU Blue Thunder. Sentro mo yung nagbababa ng bola.
Kita mo naman, Charles, yung wingspan nitong si Proles, no?
The dribbling violation will be called against Antonio Nitura. Under a minute remaining here in this game. Santos has it. Gonzalez, another 3. This time it won't go. Torralba on the other end finishes on the break. 13-point ball game. That 3-pointer from Santos is way off.
And if rebounding was the problem dun para sa RTU Blue Thunders in their previous matchup with PCU, ito namang PMI Admirals, what we can see from them today is their fast break. For their turnovers resulting in fast break points for this RTU Blue Thunders team. Yan ang naging Achilles heel nila in today's game.
Yung press break, Aaron, no, that has been monumental sa kanila. Especially nung third quarter. Doon nakalayo itong RTU eh. Hindi nila mababa yung bola. Naitatapon nila. Hindi sila nakakasagot. So that's something that they can take home during practices to work on. Especially maaga pa naman dito sa liga natin. This is only their first game.
Grabe rin yun, Charles, no? Yung 1-2-2 full court press nitong RTU Blue Thunders.
That is their final score, 79-68. What a win para dito sa RTU Blue Thunders. Especially, they came from a loss nung previous game nila. They have bounced back. And yung standing nila ngayon, 1-1. A great win for the Blue Thunders.
Definitely, Charles. No, in their last game, really what they needed to improve in that was their rebounding and especially controlling their points off turnovers and their turnovers as well. They committed 24 turnovers in that game. This time, they returned the favor naman dun sa PMI playing beautiful defense, especially in that third quarter. As you mentioned a while ago, diba? They just suffocated this Admirals team, forcing them into errors, and they got into the open court, into transition, getting those open shots, and what a better way to get it than from Antonio Netura, as we see in your screens. That guy, he really did everything for this RTU Blue Thunders team. Offense, defense, rebounding, you name it, this guy was present.
And also for the rest of the RTU squad, the depth of the lineup netong kupunan ni Coach TJ Washington is just on another level. Isipin mo, 5-5 yung papalit, same intensity yung ipapakita.
Yeah, diba? Yun talaga yung style nitong coach nila of the RTU Blue Thunders, diba? A lot of players, as you can see dito dun sa box score natin, diba? Steven Toralba, 17 points. Netura, 12 points, diba? Itong sila Escoto, 10 points. So it's really a balanced scoring for their team, diba? A lot of their players contributing, and really that's their style of basketball. Team play, and I'm loving the unselfishness of every player on the court, finding the best possible quality look.
Meantime, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, Angelica Sarmiento.
Beside me is our best player of the game, Antonio Inigo Nitura. So, Antonio, congratulations. You scored 12.6 rebounds, 4 assists, and 1 steal. And going back to your previous game dito sa FEBL, anong natutunan mo na nai-apply mo in today's game?
Kasi yung last game namin, sobrang parang hindi kami yung naglaro nun, yung RTU team talaga. So, after nun, nag-practice kami at since ako yung Captain Bolden, kasama si Stephen Toralba, Captain Bolden, nagsalita kami sa team kung ano yung dapat gawin, ano dapat i-adjust kasi hindi talaga kami yung team na nangyari sa PCU na game namin na natalo kami. Kaya this coming game, bumawi kami kahit sobrang tayo pa rin lapses talaga, madami pa rin kailangan gawin. Good game pa rin para sa amin, pero mas kailangan pa namin mag-improve sa ibang laro. Yun po.
Maraming salamat. Baka meron gustong batiin or pasalamatan.
Yan. Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord sa panalo na binigay sa amin at sa pamilya ko sa Cainta, si Mama, si Ate Tony, si Cyrus, si Shaina, Jujel, si Lance, tapos si Boss Francis, Team Safe, mga tita ko sa Cainta at mga tito sa ibang bansa, tapos si Dabay, tapos sa lahat ng sumusuporta, si Tita Ina pa pala, tsaka yun, lahat ng tropa ko sa Cainta, basta yung Team Safe yun.
Thank you so much, and once again, congratulations sa iyo at sa RTU Blue Thunders, and back to you, gentlemen.
Congratulations, Antonio Nitura and the rest of the RTU Blue Thunders squad for bouncing back after losing their first game.
Yeah, they really did a good job dito after that tough loss against PCU. Just a 2-point loss para sa kanila. But like I mentioned doon, they were able to clean up on their errors, especially from that rebounding standpoint and from their turnovers doon. As dito in their game, diba, they only had 16 turnovers as opposed to their 24 turnovers in their previous games. So really did a good job doon, especially on the rebounding department. But this PMI Admirals team, they did a good job para sa kanila, and they gave it their all in their opening game dito.
Alright, our day has finally ended, and that concludes our 4 games for today. Congratulations to everyone who won here in this game day. For our next set of games, mangyayari yan lahat sa Wednesday. Dito pa rin yan sa Central Recreation and Fitness Center. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok at pagsuporta. For my partner, Aaron D., our courtside reporter, Angelica Sarmiento, and the rest of the hardworking men and women of the FEBL. This has been Charles Beichong saying good night from the city of Quezon. Ito po ang FEBL Far East Basketball League inaugural season. Kami naman, see you at the ball games.